Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renews. You're back to hear the news today.
The U.S. allies urged a rush to area as China launches huge assault ship. Retired the U.S. Navy captain has demanded that a Western armed patrol immediately go to the South China Sea as China deploys largest assault ship. Speaking earlier, retired the U.S. Navy captain and now defense consultant Carl Schuster demanded Western patrols sail to the South China Sea to hold back the Chinese Navy. On Friday, President Xi Jinping launched the Hainan, a Type 075 amphibious assault ship that will be deployed in the South China Sea at a ceremony in San'an in the Hainan province. The new ship, which is now China's largest assault ship, marks Beijing's most ambitious amphibious assault ship, with an estimated displacement weight of about 40,000 tons. According to the South China Morning Post, the ship can carry an estimated 30 helicopters and hundreds of troops. The Hainan 31 is China's first Type 075 amphibious assault ship, capable of transporting almost the whole of the Chinese Marine Corps, with the ability to land them in hostile territory via landing craft or helicopters, as well as providing air support. It has a full-length flight deck for helicopter operations, and features a well-deck where hovercraft and armored amphibious assault vehicles can disembark from inside of the ship to launch an attack. Military experts have suggested the deployment will cause concern with Taiwan and other countries in maritime disputes with China in the South China Sea. Colin Ko, a research fellow from the S. Rajaratnam School of International Studies at Singapore's Nanyang Technological University, said the new ship could scare China's neighbors into responding to the widening asymmetry of Beijing's military power in the region. But the deployment prompted retired the U.S. naval captain Carl Schuster to demand Western patrols be sent to the South China Sea immediately to exert control and keep China back from further expansion. In a stern statement, Captain Schuster said, "Combined Vietnamese and Philippine Coast Guard patrols in the area of Julian Felipe Reef will deter any further aggression there. I also think if you were to invite the U.S. coast to go with you, that would send a very strong signal as well." Song Hongping, Hong Kong-based military affairs commentator and former PLA instructor, told the South China Morning Post the Hainan assault vessel will be serving under the Southern Theater Command, Beijing's military group operating in the South China Sea. He added, "It does not mean it will only be responsible for the South China Sea, it will also be used for missions around Taiwan and other cross-theater command tasks." Meanwhile, the Philippine Foreign Ministry said maritime officials had observed the continued unauthorized presence and activities of 160 Chinese fishing and militia vessels around the disputed Spratly Islands and Scarborough Shoal as of April 20th. They said, "The continued swarming and threatening presence of the Chinese vessels creates an atmosphere of instability." The ministry went on to say, "It is a blatant disregard of the commitments by China to promote peace and stability in the region." The President Rodrigo Duterte also stated he was prepared to send his military ships in the South China Sea to stake a claim over oil and mineral resources in the disputed part of the strategic waterway.